I'm a true-born Irishman. I travel around my home road, no face abode. I must travel till I die. Though pure men get me camping stains, I am pure, call me friend. The road for that traveller man, I must travel till the end. Hunger, hardships, and poverty are the traveller's weary load. Hunger, hardships, and poverty are the blue tar road. I came to Dublin city fair in the year of '59, and I camped in Landown's great valley with arms of my kind. Of Nolan's preparation, good Christian to a man. Right now our camps are rooted on, and pulled out our caravan. Hunger, hardships, and poverty are the traveller's weary load. Hunger, hardships, and poverty on the blue tar road. Out here in Cherry Orchard, no cherry blossoms bloom, we're forgotten and unwanted in dark and muck and gloom. On the land of who died for love and was nailed onto a tree. Oh, wasn't he a traveller man, the same as you and me? And please